this is just to practice a percentage chart. Like, for example, yesterday I had a client and I asked, what is the percentage of this challenge that comes after the vaccinations? There were two kids, 3 and 6 years old, with serious problems, and gave me a 60% from the vaccination, 40% from the inheritance of the parents. Do you have any idea? What is your idea how the pendulum works? Yeah, but how the pendulum itself works, why it moves. There is a little detail. Why and how is the mechanism it moves? Thing. Because one day I was doing a live video and I was using the pendulum with this chart. You know, this chart is at the end of the manual. And a person on the chat put, oh, you are connected with the spirits, blah, blah, blah. So no, that's not the way pendulum works. Of course, people can do that and give their power away to spirits, which is what usually happens. Lack of education.
The bird was a sister. The land was part of them, not separate from them. This girl is explained. They were not walking on the land. The land was allowing them to walk on it.
So we need to use our intuition. So that feeling that you women have developed, that we men don't have unless we meditate and practice Reiki, is how does that feel in my body? So Alberto, last time I talked to him, I asked him a question. No, Carlos, don't do that. And I don't need to use my pendulum. He told me, no, if I use my pendulum, it will give me the same answer because he has this confidence how the body feels. And you will see that practicing the pendulum, you will see how the body feels. So,
white dowsing is more important than ever. We live in a rapidly changing age of information. Every moment we are bombarded with answers to 1,000 questions we didn't ask, let alone the myriad answers we get when we actively search for an answer online. There are experts in every corner offering conflicting advice. Now more than ever, we need to be able to identify what is my truth, what is true for me. No matter what the experts say, what Google says, what social media says, or even what your loved ones say.
Does it make sense? Mm-hmm. This is awesome because we are in this moment, we have so much information and misinformation, and the news, they are all owned by 6 families in the world. So they try to make people believe whatever they want. Charts by repeating. No, actually, we are going to start scanning with simple things. Then we are going to do the chart. So, and it's useful when we have a tough client or friend that we don't know what is the challenge or what is blocked. Those are energies that feeds the 5 senses, the mind, the intelligence, the ego, the feelings, procreations, sexual energy, excretion, speech, locomotion, skill. Here is the crystallization, which is a capacity to make the cells, bones, tissue, tendons, ligaments, anything. And you can see this. What does it mean, this? No, what does it mean, all this old wrinkle? That I use it all the time. Look, this is the first one. What does it say? It's a percentage chart, the same one that you have. You see the first one? I did it myself. And did you see they are not all equal? It doesn't matter. Because if it is not equal, the pendulum has to show you what is the truth. You see, this is narrower than this. It doesn't matter. Here, time 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Why did I do that? Because I check what is the best time to send the email. So in a way that has to move, it's not going to be the answer straight. Especially if you're, okay. So keep working on different questions until you find a clear yes or no. But in practical questions, for example, as is Juliet at home? You know that?
I know.
So you may be surprised, but she's waiting for you with a meal.
Yes, no. It's kind of like, it is, I do feel like